Hi, today we're going to do an algebra topic, square the binomial. Okay? When you square a binomial has two terms. We're going to use terms like x plus y, and we're going to square it. And you've probably heard of using the FOIL method. If I write this out as x plus y times another x plus y, I get x times x, so I get x squared. X times y is xy. Y times x is another xy, and y times y is y squared. So now I get x squared, plus I have two of the x plus y's, plus the y squared. What that means is, when you square a binomial, you get the square of the first term, the square of the last term, and the middle term is this times this doubled. So we're going to take this idea and we're going to do each of these problems now. Okay, but I want you to understand why we get that formula. Okay, next, if we have x plus 9 and we're going to square that binomial, we get the square of the first term, square of the last term, 81. Then we get the first times the second term doubled. So x times 9 is 9x. Double it, you get 18x. That's it. That's the answer. The next one is 4 plus x, binomial squared. We get the first term squared, 16. We get the last term squared, x squared. And then we take the first times the second term and double it. 4 times x doubled will be 8x. So the first term squared, the last term squared, first times last doubled. And that's the answer. And you're done. Next one, if we have x minus 9 squared, we still get square of the first term, square of the last term, negative 9 times negative 9 is going to be a positive 81. Now we take the first times the last and double it. X times a negative 9, or think of it this way, negative 9 times x doubled gives us negative 18x. And we're done. Notice the x plus 9 squared and the x minus 9 squared are almost identical. The thing that has changed is the minus sign. There's a minus sign here, this will be minus. If there's a plus here, that will be plus. Next one, we have 12 minus x squared. We get square of the first term, square of the last term, a negative x times a negative x is a negative x is a positive x squared. First times last doubled. Minus x times 12 would be a negative 12x, double it, get a minus 24x. So now you go ahead and try set 1 and set 2 of squaring a binomial. Remember the pattern, the first term squared, the last term squared, and then between them is the first times last doubled. Now, hope you enjoy the challenge. Go ahead and work on this at monumentalmath.com.